Hey, Julie Oil Tribe, how is it going today? I have some jet lag. I'm super tired because I just got back from Silver Retreat really late last night. My flight was delayed like a few times and I didn't get home till 11:30. So I have no makeup on and I probably look as tired as I feel, but I wanted to get this unboxing in for you guys. I just got my September ER order and I'm super excited just to restock some things and to try some new things. So first off, I had a friend ask me to order her 2 bags of the Thieves cough drops, and she actually called me a week or 2 ago and was feeling pretty yucky and had a cough going on, and said that she was out of them and that they were the only thing that always helped her deal with just, you know, the feeling in your throat or whatever. And so I gave her 7 of mine and said hopefully these will last until an order could come in, and she ordered 2 bags. You guys, if you have not tried these Thieves cough drops, I know that they are a little more expensive than like your Hall's cough drops, but they are made with such awesome ingredients without any of the junk. So they don't have, you know, sweetener in them. They don't have fake red dye in them. They don't have all the stuff that, you know, the regular cough drops have. And you really only need like 1 or 2 a day, where I feel like when you're taking Hall's or Ricola or whatever, it feels like you just have to continuously take them over and over, and you can go through a bag in like 2 days. I feel like a bag can last me through a couple rounds of being sick, and they're cough drops too, so it's really nice, you know, if you are having coughs, just to like, it calms that cough if you're having one of those that like you can't get it under control, or every time you talk you feel like you're gonna cough. We can say these are cough drops and it's so wonderful. So anyway, got 2 bags of those in my order, which are not mine because I still have a bag I had bought a month or 2 ago. I like to stock up on those things. And then something new to me that I'm so excited about having this fall for immune support is the Immune Power Oil. So I have a few friends that said like this last winter they were diffusing this every night for their kids, and that they got through the winter like feeling above the wellness line. And they all love Thieves, and I love Thieves, but this is something that I've heard is almost like upping the ante a little bit than just Thieves. It does have cumin in it. I'm gonna open it. I've smelled it before, but I want to smell it again because it smells like tacos a lot of times. People say, yeah, kind of smells a little bit like tacos, but it's got a spicy, nice aroma to it, and just has some really heavy hitters in it for the immune system. It's a little bit more pricey than Thieves, but hey, if I can get through the winter and stay super healthy, and I will use this and Thieves together, I wanted to add it to my wellness arsenal because we are coming into that season, you guys. Next, I got some more of the Kid Scent shampoo. My son loves this, and he's so funny when he's getting low. He's like, you gotta order me more. And I always add in peppermint and rosemary and tea tree in here, a few drops, like usually about 10 drops of each. And those oils are just really great for keeping your kids' scalp and hair really protected from, you know, just anything that would want to get in there. It keeps your... Yeah, you want to do that, especially if your kid goes to daycare, school, whatever. Great thing to do to add peppermint and tea tree, and that helps with scalp and stuff too. So got that, and then got a package of the Seedling wipes. We don't need these as often as we used to, but my son still uses these. We'll use them for hands and stuff in the car. I sometimes use them for makeup remover. But he still uses them sometimes after number 2, TMI, and they smell great, they smell great, and, there's my humor, they smell great, and he likes them, and no toxins, so really great for that. And they're nice if you just need like a quick clean, you know, need to clean your armpits because you were dancing or sweating or something, clean up your armpits, put some fresh deodorant on, or you need to clean your face from makeup, or like you said, hands in the car. And obviously they're diaper wipes. I don't have a baby, but you can use them as amazing diaper wipes. They're nice and thick, And I've heard from lots of people that you only need one, where other diaper wipes are so thin and you need multiple. So the last thing I ordered, and then I'll share the freebies because I got freebies too, was a box of MindWise packets. And I usually get this in the bottle, but I wanted to try the little packets just for convenience and ease of use and having them already pre-dosed out for me. I've been getting Omega Gize, which is got your omega-3 fatty acids that your brain needs and your joints need, and I love it. But I've gotten MindWise before, and this is just another form of omega-3s. It's actually, instead of fish oil, it comes from a nut, which is really, really cool. A couple nuts actually, and coconut and another nut. I forget what it's called. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can find it. Sachi Inchi seed. It's a seed, and it has like a really, really high amount of omega-3s in it. So if you're allergic to fish oil or something, this would be a great way for you to get in your omega-3s, which are so important for our brain health, memory, joint health, inflammation, that kind of thing. And then it also has vitamin D. So that's really great too, coming up into the winter months, that you get that vitamin D in. For me, I love MindWise and Omega Gize because sometimes I just feel like so busy and I feel like I got too much going on in my brain and I get forgetful, and that scares me. And so I feel like MindWise and Omega Gize are things that actually, like, I can tell a difference when I take them. So got my box of MindWise. How does it taste? Sometimes people are ask me that. I feel like it's not quite as good as Ninja Red tastes, but it doesn't taste bad, and it has kind of like a hint to me of like a chocolate berry juice or something. It has like, there's no chocolate in it, but it has like some kind of cocoa kind of taste. But and I do feel like the first one always tastes a little weird to me, and then by the time I have, like, you know, I'm a 2 or 3 days into it, I enjoy the taste and look forward to it. So there's that. When you get the bottle, you have to shake it up. If you got packets, you just, you know, shake them, but you take one a day, and the box comes with 30, and I'm excited to have it again. I've got a couple Omega Gizes left, and then I'm going to do this for a month, and I kind of like to switch back and forth for my omega-3s. And then the last 3 things I got were free, which is super exciting because Inner Defense is something I always have on hand in the winter, and this was free this month. So amazing. This is just a ready-to-go capsule of oregano and thieves and I believe thyme. Yeah, and it's just ready to go. The Thieves Blend and oregano and thyme and a couple other like powerful heavy hitter immune booster oils. This just helps your own body's natural defenses kick in. So you've got this immune system to fight off the bad stuff that's going around, and sometimes we just need a little like, hey guys, get ready, we gotta fight, there's germs coming. So I take this at the first sign of like a scratchy throat or anything, feeling run down. I even took some and you can make capsules. If you've got the little capsules, you can put like oregano and thieves in them yourself. This is just easier to take it ready-made. But I took some after traveling. I made some ready-made capsules with that in because, you know, you just get run down from traveling and being around so many people at the airport and things like that. So that's a good time if you're around anyone who's sick or your kids are sick, husband's sick. You know, your body needs some help. Your body needs some help to stay above the wellness line. So this is something to support it. And then we were supposed to get ginger, but they ran out of ginger, so I got a Theives, which I know some people are bummed about getting Theives, but you guys, I use this all the time, and I love this oil for any tummy issues. So I know I will use it, and it will come in handy. And I don't think ginger is very expensive to order, so I might just order it next month if it's still in stock. Or if it comes back in stock. It is a wonderful fall oil for like diffusing with orange and cinnamon, and also just for baking. You can put a drop in your pumpkin pie and yummy, yummy, yummy. And oh, did I say nutmeg? I meant ginger. Ginger is what I was saying, but nutmeg is good in those diffuser blends too. So ginger, I think it was ginger that we got free. Sorry if I said nutmeg. Ginger is also great for tummy issues, appetite, stuff like that, or if you're having indigestion. But so is Theives, and I'm pretty sure that ginger is in Theives. Let's see. Oh, maybe it's not. Tarragon, ginger, there it is. Peppermint, juniper, lemongrass, fennel, anise, and patchouli. So this oil blend is so great. This is what my son asks for anytime his stomach is bothering him. So I got this free instead of ginger. Some of you probably got ginger. And then the last free one I got is the Kids Scent Sniffles. Really awesome. I love the Kids Scent line because they're pre-diluted, ready for kids to use on their own if you feel comfortable with that. And this one is obviously sniffle ease, so it's great for congestion, good in the diffuser, good to put on the nose, for any time, sniffles or, 'tis the season for all the inner defense and sniffle ease, right? And Thieves cough drops. So hopefully you guys have been stocking up on things to keep your body supported and above the wellness line as well. And hopefully with this grassroots wellness movement, you guys are sharing with your friends and family because you want them to have awesome tools to keep themselves healthy going into these fall and winter months. And if you have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned, feel free to comment below or message me, and I'm always willing to help. If you have any areas of concern or areas where you're trying to go more natural or go to wellness. I've used a lot of Young Living products and I've heard a lot of testimonies of people, so I'm always willing to, share what I know, and you can make the decision of what you want to do, but I always love to help people. So I hate to see people struggling, and if I can offer any solutions, I would be more than welcome to. So hope you guys have a great day and enjoyed this unboxing. Bye!